Hello my dear VLSI aspirants, welcome to Deep Silicon VLSI YouTube channel. In this video, again we are concentrating on logic optimization, but this question is Babka all the questions. Yes, from my opinion. Okay, let's see. Question number 20. The truth table for the function f of a, b, c, d is equals to sigma m of 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9 is. There's a truth table. Yes, where w, x, y, z are given by d is a complement of the d. Now we want to find out what is w, what is x, what is y, what is z. Guys, the best part is here, it is a 4 variable Boolean function. But he has given 3 variable truth table. In terms of true variable, 3 variable truth table. So it's a big deal. We want to find out what is w, what is x, what is y, what is z. Usually guys, for example, let us take 2 variable K-Map or truth table. It is, let's assume f. Now it is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Usually if I say like this, then what will be the expression guys? Like f is equals to a bar, b bar plus a, b bar. This is the expression only, na? Isn't it? Yes. Exactly speaking, do you know what is the exact expression? That is f is equals to a bar, b bar into 1. Because 1 is there, na? Similarly, this one, a, even you can take this as well. That is a bar, b into 0. Similarly, a, b bar into 1 plus a, b into 0. Anything into 0? 0. Anything into 1? Anything. That's why you got the same. See here. This is the pattern, remember. As per this, here if you take the expression, that is f is equals to, guys, that is 0, 0, 0 means a bar, b bar, c bar, w plus a bar, b bar, c, x plus a bar, b, c bar, y. Anyway, into 0 becomes 0 only, na? Then you take this one. That is a, b bar, c bar, z. We got the expression. Now, as per the minterms, let's minimize the expression. Now, it is a 4 variable K-Map. Therefore, it looks in this way, where we have A, B, C, D. Therefore, it is like this. A, B, C, D. C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Again, A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. Now guys, as per the minterms, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's it, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that's it. Now, what next? We want to simplify it. Yes, guys, suppose, if I simplify, let's take this one and this quad, then you will get here 1 pair, here also you get 1 pair, then you will get 3 terms only, na? Isn't it? 3 minterms only you get it. However, we have 4 terms now. So for that reason, what you can do is, you can go with a trial and error. As per the options and all, here what we can say is, let's take this is a pair. This is a pair. Now, you take this as it is single and single. It's completely as per the options, remember, right? Now guys, if I take this, what I'll get? This is A bar, B bar, C bar. This A bar, B bar, C, D. And this A, B bar, C bar. And this A bar, B, C bar, D bar. Now we got 4 terms. Now you compare here. Let's take A bar, B bar, C bar. Where we got A bar, B bar, C bar? Here. Okay, here what do you get, guys? This means A bar, B bar, C bar. Okay, here guys we have A bar, B bar, C bar, and here W. Then if you compare this and this, what might be the W, guys? 0 only. Sorry, W is 1 only. Whenever W is 1, then you get this expression only, na? Hence, W is 1. Okay, W is 1. Similarly, A bar, B bar, C. Here, A bar, B bar, C, D. Then what is X, guys? Obviously, it is D only. X is equals to D only. Similarly, A bar, B, C bar. A bar, B, C bar. This and this. Now guys, what is Y? D bar. Y is equals to D bar. They said small d is a complement of capital D. D bar, hence it is small d. And finally Z. What is Z? A, B bar, C bar. See, A, B bar, C bar. Then it is Z. Then Z must be 1 only. Z is equals to 1. So in this way, guys, it's completely options based as per the requirement. Here we design the hardware in such a way that it is a 3 variable, but he has given in terms of 3 variable. It's a 4, he has given in 3 variable, right guys? So in this way, these like in VLSI placement examinations or even interviews as well, please don't assume the VLSI interviews will be like only some 15 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes. No, it is not like that. It minimum of minimum, there will be 1 hour interview. Remember, if you are very good, then they'll take you to 1.5 hour, 2 hours also. If you are good, if you are not at all competent, then minimum they will take 1 hour. Okay guys, so this is what here the best hack in Boolean algebra and K-Map, right? I hope you like the video. This is Shivram signing off. Jai Hind.